Hi, welcome to Ask Chef Gilles part 26. Today we talk about staff. Everybody knows that staff is one of the main ingredients to success of a business, especially in hospitality where we have so many people in the kitchen and the service. It's very important to have good, well-trained and smiling staff. So how can you achieve that? I think the most important is respect. You need to respect your staff, you treat them fairly, and also, don't scream at your staff. I think it's never nice if you scream at staff. You should always talk to them with respect. The other thing is also lead by example. So you expect them to clean whatever, the toilet or the kitchen. You need to also show them what you expect, also get your hands dirty sometimes. I think that when they can see that, it's not too much for you, of course they will know it's not too much for them as well. And I think that's very important. It's about cleaning, it's about long hours, it's about, you should be there on the morning, you should be there at night, always supporting them, especially at very busy times. That's very important. Also the open door policy. If they like to talk to you, if they have a problem, something they can't solve, you need to be there for them. Definitely.